snowflake, snowflake. A single particle of snow. For example, did you know that every single snowflake is different? Blizzard, blizzard. A storm with very heavy snow. It is dangerous driving on the roads in blizzard. Avalanche, avalanche. A large mass of snow and ice sliding rapidly down a mountainside. It was reported that 5 skiers were caught in the avalanche. Drizzle, drizzle. Very light rain. There were a bit of drizzle in the air. Cloudburst, cloudburst. Sudden rainfall that it over quickly. The cloudburst caused the river to flood. Puddle, puddle. A small pool of water usually formed by rainfall. When I was young, I loved splashing in puddles. Hail, hail. Pieces of ice falling from the sky. I hate being out in hail, because it really hurt when it strikes your face. Frost, frost. Ice crystals on a frozen surface. The grass was covered with frost. Frost formed on the window. Rainbow, rainbow. An arch of colors seen in the sky after or during rainfall. As the storm passed, a beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky. Raindrop, raindrop. A single measurement of rain. I love catching raindrops on my tongue. Drought, drought. A long period with no rainfall. Large areas of the country are suffering from drought. Foggy, foggy. When here is a lot of fog. It is so foggy today that I can hardly see the houses across the street. Smog, smog. Fog-like cloud caused by pollution. The smog hung over the city, and many people wore masks. Sleet. Sleet. Mixture of rain and snow. The sleet made the pavement slippery, and it was difficult not to fall over. Drizzle. Drizzle. Very light rain, raining slightly. I'll go for a walk outside. It's only drizzling now. Gale. Gale. Very strong wind. The gale blew all night, and caused damage to several buildings. Thunder. Thunder. A loud rumbling or crashing noise heard in the sky, especially during a storm. We heard the thunder in the distance and knew that a storm was on its way. Lightning. Lightning. Electric flash of light in the sky. The lightning lit up the whole sky and was quite spectacular. Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm. A storm that includes thunder and lightning. My pets hate thunderstorm. To flood. To flood. When a large amount of water flows over an area of land. There had been so much rain that the road was flooded. Overcast. Overcast. Very cloudy with no sun is visible. John looked out the window and saw the sky was overcast with no sign of sun. Icy. Icy. Covered in ice, slippery because of ice. It's better for elderly people to stay indoors when it's icy, as they can easily fall over. Hurricane, cyclone, typhoon. A tropical storm with extremely strong, damaging wind. The difference between them is where the storm originates in the world. Hurricanes come from the Atlantic Ocean, cyclones from the Indian Ocean, typhoons from the Pacific Ocean.